This is Chef Jalapeno coming to you with a new recipe for how to make lemon chicken. First, we start out with 1 lemon. No! 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 I don't want to die! I'm just put a little lemon! Help! I don't want to die! Then you take one glass of marinara sauce. Hello, can you hear me? I'm guy's face glued to a bottle of marinara sauce. Help! And after that, you take the lemon. No, I don't want to die. And you squeeze it. No. Now that we've squeezed lemon, you add generously portions of marinara sauce. I don't care what he says. He's not getting hold of me. Okay, so no marinara sauce. And let's see, what's this last ingredient? We'll just add 1 jalapeno. No. Oh, and that is how you cook lemon chicken.